Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhaktiyabeh Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines.
Grade 5 tuition classes banned from tonight and A-level classes from the 1st of February. Over 2,700 suspicious temporary occupants residing in Colombo City. Member of Parliamentary dance troupe tests COVID-19 positive. Sri Lanka tourism to get tough on foreigners only policy. Threat of a port city cluster emerging. Green light to import electric vehicles in future.
Now diving into those stories in detail.
Examinations Department Commissioner General LMD Dharmasena stated that conducting coaching or tuition classes targeted at the 2021 Grade 5 scholarship examination will be prohibited from midnight today until the end of the exam, while conducting coaching or tuition classes targeting the 2021 GCE A-level examination will be prohibited from midnight on the 1st of February until the end of the examination. Western Province Senior DIG Deshabandhu Tennakoon stated that special operations have revealed that a total of 2,746 suspicious temporary occupants have been residing in the Colombo city limits and police are to verify their identities. The Western Province Community Police Division had launched a 3-day operation on the 14th, 15th and the 16th of January to gather information on all temporary residents residing in houses, business premises, institutions, government or private premises, construction sites, etc. within the Colombo Municipal Council area. A member of the dance troupe which had arrived to perform for the ceremonious opening of the Parliament session today and a member of the House staff tested COVID-19 positive. Reliable sources from Parliament said the dancer who had tested positive was sent back while the others in the troupe were allowed to perform during the ceremony. The Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority today stated that stern action will be taken against tourist establishments who practice a foreigners-only policy. In a statement, the SLTDA stated that they had received complaints regarding discriminatory practices followed by some tourist establishments against Sri Lankan citizens. Huge crowds flocking to the newly opened Colombo Port City Marina Promenade has raised fears of a port city cluster emerging. Health authorities warn that the behavior of the public threatened to create a new COVID cluster. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa stated that priority will be given to electric vehicles in the future when importing vehicles into the country and said that there will be no change to the government's policy on green agriculture.
For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhaktiyabeh Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.